In the same light, nung ako yung na-appoint na PhilHealth Independent Director, being in charge of audit and risk management, sinuggest ko yun to audit the auditor. Not because I don't trust the PhilHealth. It is because of the huge responsibility um, of the company. Kasi ang laking pera nito eh. You're holding billions of pesos for the healthcare. Eh ngayon, kung iilan lang kayong tao. So I was suggesting to the board and even to the PhilHealth president at that time, mag-hire tayo, bayaran natin, wala namang mawawala, and then ma-audit natin kung ano saan tayo nagkakamali so that we can change. Kasi we cannot actually change ourselves if we don't know our weaknesses eh. So how can we correct ourselves if we are not self-aware that we have a problem? Diba? Ngayon, kung bakita natin, nalaman ng Pangulong Marcos ang pagkakamali. So for coming from the ICI, ano mako-contribute natin ng ICI? So aside from investigations, yung DPWH, perhaps contractors, public officials dito, is how to prevent problems like this, the mga budget insertion. And only a third eye or a third party, ang tingin ko, ang makakasolve nun. Kasi may conflict of interest din ang mga public officials kasi sila mismo ang nag-i-insert eh.